Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to adjust the time on the KOBO Clara Colour eReader. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the More tab, so press on the More button on the bottom right, and then we're gonna press on Settings, press on Date and Time, and here we have the time. So we're going to press on this window, time window, and here you can adjust the hours and the minutes. So, and you can also adjust the PM, AM part. So you just select the option that you want to change first, for example, the minutes or the hours, and just press the arrows to adjust it like this. So there we go, I set it to 12:29 p.m. and now that you have adjusted the options, all of these options, you can just press the set button to save the settings. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.